My feet are here on Broadway, this blessed harvest morn. But oh, the ache that's in them, or the spot where I was born. My weary hands are blistered from working cold and heat. But oh, to swing a scythe again through fields of Irish wheat. Had I the chance to wander back or own a king's abode, I'd sooner see the hawthorn tree down the old